And we are working on our copper pipe. We've just sweated it. It's hot, and what I want to do is show you how to clean it up a little. The joint, you know, can get a little messy. If you want it to look good, hey, I like things to look good. So if you got some extra copper on there, just heat it up a little bit. Take your wire brush.
Actually, say it again, if you got some extra solder, not copper.
So if you got some extra solder on there you want to get rid of, just heat it up and start doing that. It just wipes right off. Same thing on this side. Now be careful, you don't want this stuff spraying on your hand because it's very hot. You might even want to wear gloves when you're doing this. If you got a good pair of gloves, not a bad idea. Take a rag, and there you go. It's a nice clean joint now. Okay, and we can do the same thing we did last time to cool this down and firm it up. Little cool water on there, it's not going to hurt it. Now that looks much better than it did after we finished the first time. So you got a clean, solid joint. And if for some reason something goes wrong again, you can heat this up and take it apart. Copper is really fun to work with because you can redo it and do it again. It's not that big a deal, and you shouldn't be scared of it just because you never knew how to do it before.